We were called out by the customer because of a slab leak. This is very common in Orange County. When they built these houses, they ran all the pipes in the slab, and she had a slab leak right over here in this corner. She came out one morning with her shoes off and she could feel the tile was hot right there. So that indicates a hot water slab leak. So her plumber came out, gave her an estimate to fix it, which would have required them to cut through the tile, cut through the concrete. Big job, very expensive. Plumber actually recommended her to call us. Instead of doing the repair, we ended up doing a full house repipe. If she had done that, maybe with a not so honest plumber, you'll end up spending more just chasing repairs like this. So she did the smart thing, and she just turned the water off, so she minimized the leak, called us out, and we just finished the repipe today, and everything's back up and running with hot and cold everywhere, no leaks.
Creative Repipe, the best reviewed and most recommended repipe company. Contact us today.